Can we just take a minute to look at how beautiful this thing is? Yeah, no worries, no worries. I'll show you from another angle. Damn, boy. G'day guys, how are we? So in this video, as you can probably see from my little intro part, I am installing some of these bad boys. So I've gone and bought myself some speakers. If you guys own a GD, you guys know how bad the speakers are on the stock WRX. Because yeah, they're absolutely horrible. So what we're doing is we're going to be putting these ones in. I've gone and bought, well, you guys can see exactly what they are. You've got the DCX, whatever the hell that means. I don't know anything about speakers. That's why I went with someone that actually knew what they were talking about, and got these for the rear. I went with a lot cheaper ones for the rear to the front because I've done a lot of reading up on them and they've been saying that the front don't really, so the front are the ones you want to spend money on and the rear's not as much. And also, I don't really have people in the rear of that car, so I don't have too much to worry about with that sort of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly turn the car on and give a bit of a, I guess, sound test when it comes to what's in the car at the moment. I'm only gonna do a very short clip because I don't want to get copyrighted. Obviously it doesn't really matter because I'm not monetized, but if I get copyright strikes, it means obviously in the future it'll stop me from doing certain things. So yeah, I'll do a really short clip of what the sound system sounds like now, and then I'll do a clip of afterwards, I guess. Alright, so I've gone and found a like a thing online. It's just, where is it, best non-copyrighted music 2020, blah blah blah. I'm gonna play this song, and I'm gonna play the exact same like part of it once I've done the speakers. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on with the current speaker system. You guys will see how bad it actually is. I'm not gonna put max volume. I'm gonna put the volume right before it peaks. So yeah, I'll play it now. So as you guys can see, it isn't the best. And if I go anything over that volume, it completely peaks. So that's our kind of situation at the moment. So I've gone, and like I said, I've bought new speakers and everything. I'm just gonna I guess just install them and bring you guys with me. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do when you're replacing them, I'm gonna replace the fronts first, is you're going to want to take off all this door card, and then underneath the speakers are right there. Don't run my extremely dirty car. I really badly need to clean that out. I still haven't cleaned it out from when I went camping. So yeah, but first what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod, and I'm gonna take off all the door card. So let's do that now. Alright, so now that we've got all the door cut off and everything, as you can see, it's not really too easy. Though I've made mine a lot easier because I don't have half the screws that are meant to be in there. So yeah, mine's probably going to be a lot easier than you. But realistically, all it is just a few clips, and I think it's 2 screws. So yeah. But what we've got now in my door cut is we've got these really bad speakers. They're like this really crappy cardboard sort of feel. Then we've got these little tweeters up here. What I've done is I've got speakers that have the tweeter and also the actual speaker itself in one. So all I'm going to be replacing is this one right here. So what you're going to need to do it is just, I guess, a Phillips head. And yeah, let's replace this bad boy. So this is the old speaker. We've got this out now, and I'm going to go get the new speaker, and hopefully it fits. Let's pray that fits. So what I've done is I've taken off this from the factory speaker, and what I have to somehow do, which is going to be pretty easy to be honest, is I'm going to have to make a connector that goes from this to the back of the new one, which has the same connections, it's just they're spread out a bit longer. So what I have to do is I've got to use my, don't mind how jumbled all this is, I've got to use one of these that goes into one of these ones. So then it can click onto the back, and it's basically just a little adapter. So that's what we're gonna do real quick, and then we're gonna, hopefully it works. So I'll just do one speaker at a time, test it, see if everything works. The speaker looks like it's gonna fit. Yeah, it should quite easily fit in there, and it's got also this little adapter thing. Where is it? It's got this little adapter thing just here that should allow it to basically fit wherever. So so yeah, this install looks like it's gonna be relatively straightforward, which is always good. So yeah, let's get going. I'll put you guys back down and I'll just do a timer so me doing the whole thing, and I'll get back to you guys explaining exactly what I did. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so what I've done is I've just gone and made two little connectors, and I've plugged them into what the OEM harness is. And I'm hoping this is positive and negative, because these speakers have positive and negative. And yeah, so if I don't get this right, I'll probably cook them. So that's going to be interesting. But there's got red cables here that go into this one, and black ones. They're not exactly black, they're like a whitish black with like a black stripe, which I'm guessing is negative. So yeah, negative. And I'm going to put the negative one into that one. So yeah, we'll soon find out. I'm going to plug the speakers in, turn the car on, and see if it works, I guess. Alright, so I have plugged that speaker in just there, and I am about to test it. I've got it on accessories, the car's on, and moment of truth, have I cooked the speaker or not? You ready? So it's down really low. I can hear something. It's only on 2. Yeah, that is working. It's a lot better already. That's all I want to know. I don't want to test it out anymore. I'm gonna get everything completely set. At least I know that is positive and negative, and I didn't stuff that up. So yeah, let's go and do the rest of them, I guess. Let's go. Alright, so I have successfully finished both front doors. Everything is perfect on them. I've tested both of them to make sure sound's coming out of them. They're all perfect, which is good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the backs. They're probably going to be exactly the same, but I'm going to check in with you guys once once I'm putting them in as such, and tell you guys exactly what's going on with it. So let's go. Alright, so with the rear speakers, to be honest, they look better quality than the other one, the front ones, even though I spent like triple the amount. But yeah, these are actually, I'm very impressed with these, to be honest, because these are quite cheap. But with these as well, which the other ones didn't have, which I'm surprised, to be honest, is these little connectors. So I've had to make my own ones up, as you guys saw earlier, but these ones are already like pre-made ones, and then all I have to do is add a little connector on the end here to connect to the door, which is going to be extremely easy. So yeah, this has made my life a lot easier. So yeah, let's get going. so I have gone and done everything on the car. All the speakers are completely done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get inside the car and I'll play the exact same song, the exact same place and everything. And yeah, I'll get the get the actual pure sound clips of it. Hopefully it's a lot better. I'm guessing it probably will be. So yeah. So I've got the exact same part of the song on my phone right now. I'm gonna hit play and I guess we'll figure out if it's any better or not. It should be. It should, like, no, it will be. Just depends how much better, I guess. Yeah. So I'll turn it around and let's play it. This is the same volume as well. So it's safe to say it's a lot louder, like a lot louder. I'm not even gonna try and turn it up anymore because that's almost on the verge of hurting my ears. But yeah, so it was 100% worth doing, to be honest. I was kind of iffy about it, not sure if it was just worth me just putting a sub in the back or not. Sub's definitely gonna be coming. I just gotta fix my boot setup because yeah, I don't think a sub's really gonna get in there at the moment. But yeah. Right, well, the speakers are 1,000 times better than they were, which is awesome. So I'm pretty happy with them. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. There's a few things coming for the car pretty soon, which is going to be cool. A lot more videos I'm planning to do. I'm out with like a bunch of friends and everything, like the last video you saw. And the next video you see will be another thing we're just out with mate. Which actually Fletcher's returning. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I see you guys, I guess. See you later.